Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 20th July 2025. Title of Murli. Today, on the day of this festival, make a vow with zeal and enthusiasm in your mind to remain free from Maya, to be merciful and to become a master bestower of liberation. In order to go back home with the Father, become equal to Him. Today's Avyakt Murli was aired on the day of Shivratri. Bap Dada said, on this day, devotees also observe a fast with great love, and on the other hand, all of you have also observed a fast. They observe a one-day fast and you have observed a fast that lasts for 21 births. You children have taken a vow of pure attitude, vision, actions and a pure life. Purity is not limited to just celibacy but in life, food, behavior, world, sanskar, everything is pure. Further Baba said, you just have to have self-realization, not others' realization. Remember this one slogan, neither give sorrow nor take sorrow. If you love Bap Dada, then can you not sacrifice one vice of anger for that love? The sign of sacrifice is to be obedient to orders. All the children love Bap Dada, do they not? If you love them, then you will have to become equal to the Father. Just have the courage of having a determined thought. Become one who gives blessings and one who receives blessings. Finally, Bap Dada said, O Master Liberator, first free yourself from all vices and then give a pinch of liberation to all the souls of the world. Have mercy on the suffering. Emerge your kind, compassionate, merciful sanskars. Blessing for today. May you be economical with your time and powers as a master creator by understanding your responsibility for benefiting the world. Details are: all souls of the world are the family of you elevated souls, and the larger the family, the more you have to consider being economical. Use all your time and powers economically while keeping all souls in front of you, and consider yourself to be an instrument for doing unlimited service. Just to earn for yourself, to eat from that and use it up, do not be careless in that way. Budget all of your treasures. Keep the blessing of being a master creator in your awareness and accumulate a stock of time and powers for doing service. Slogan is, a great donor is one whose thoughts and words continue to enable souls to take blessings. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. Whatever subtle powers you have, whether they are ministers or great ministers, make them work under your orders. If your royal court is working well now, you will not have to go to the court of Dharmaraj. Even Dharmaraj will welcome you. However, if you have no controlling power now, you will have to go to the land of Dharmaraj to pay your fine in the final result. Punishment is the fine. Become refined and you will not have to pay any fine.